Bibigyan kita ng 5 reasons why you should work with the agent if kukuha ka ng house and lot. Number 1, as your real estate agent, we will help you to find your ideal home na pasok sa iyong budget. Meron kaming knowledge, expertise, and also experience to guide you as you go through sa mga documents and transactions to make your experience as smooth as possible. Number 2 is we provide you excellent services from tripping to turnover ng unit. Sasamahan kita as agent. Sa viewing pa lang, meron na kaming pre-service ticket na may provide. I can give you the most accurate information about sa mga available houses or condo na iyong ini-inquire. Number 3 is less time consuming or time saving. We handle your paperwork and documentations. Meron kaming office na nagpo-process ng mga documents mo. All you need is to submit all those requirements and I'm here to help you complete your requirements on time. Number 4 is I can share my experiences as a homeowner and